guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and we're now here at the beach again. And it's currently 7:30 in the morning, and supposedly andito na ako by 6. But then, na-late ako ng gising, though I set na lang at 5 a.m. But yeah, while on my way here, so parang init, and parang nawala akong sa mood magpalipad ng drone. But it's also high tide, that's why. So I don't know what will happen next. Siguro magstay lang ako dito for a while and babalik na ako. And medyo gloomy naman kanina. And hopefully gloomy pag uwi ko para hindi naman ganun kainit. So yeah, minsan alam mo, hindi ko na din alam mga trip ko sa buhay. Like pwede naman akong matulog na lang sa bahay. Hindi na ako gigising ng ganun kaaga. But look where am I? Nasa beach, napakainit. Pwede naman magpahinga na lang. Gusto pa yung napapagod. I don't know. Life, you know, this is... Bye! So as usual, I just brought my bag, my drone, my sunscreen, sunglass, and itong hindi naman masyadong malaking sombrero. It's currently 7 a.m. and kanina super init, and thankfully medyo gloomy naman ngayon, so sakto lang yung init. So let me just share something. This is the usual happening here early in the morning at the island. Nagwawali sila, and yung umuusok na yun, that's what we call siga. We're in burning those trashes, most especially the leaves and other stuffs. So yeah. So ayun, so naglalagay tayo. Init. So ayun, I just got home and hindi ko kaya yung init, kaya nag-order ako ng halo-halo, and it's only 9 a.m. Sobrang aga for halo-halo. So yeah,